Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of What's Up With That Alex. So with me today is Alex Boland from Connect Family Law. This is a video presentation where I ask Alex some questions that have come from our viewership, people that might be going through separation and divorce and are looking for a little bit of assistance. So today we've got a little bit of an esoteric question.
Oh, great. I'm very excited by that.
And the thing is, I want the viewership to know is Alex doesn't even know what question I'm about to ask. There is no scripting here whatsoever.
Just totally unprepared.
Yeah. Are you ready, Alex?
I don't know.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to try. So I've got a friend who has got is divorced and has children that were part of that divorce. The children are all now in their 20s, and he's no longer paying any child support. But what I'm told is that one of his children are going back to school. There may be a suggestion that he has to pay child support again while this child is at school. That seems a bit strange to me that a person would have to continue to pay child support to somebody who's in their 20s. But so what's up with that, Alex?
Yeah, so it's kind of amazing, but a person can become a child and then stop being a child and then become a child again. It's like a once and future child kind of situation. So how this works is in BC, person is a child for the purposes of support up until the age of 19, unless certain things take place. And those things are illness, disability, or other cause. And this is the language used by the legislation. And the other cause is typically university or post-secondary education. So a child who turns 19 and is studying usually full-time is potentially eligible for some kind of financial assistance for a parent. The sort of good news for the paying parent is that there's a bit more flexibility here. Like the court is going to take into account the child's ability to contribute to his or her own education. And the court will be looking to see whether the child is engaged in like a productive, realistic course of education instead of, studying to be like a divorce lawyer or something like that, which we wouldn't want to see. We've got plenty of those.
Yes.
So there's a bit more of a contextual exercise for the court, but it's completely possible for a child to turn 19, take 2 years off and go backpacking, and then come back, start studying full-time, and become a child of the marriage again. As a rough rule of thumb, it's probably fair to say that the court is not generally going to require a parent to pay for more than the first degree, but there's lots of exceptions. Like there's cases with a family of physicians, and so when the child wants to go to medical school, guess who's paying for the medical school? Good question, and one that is not easily answered. Ending child support is harder than one might think.
Sounds like it. All right, well, thanks, Alex. And for any of our viewership that have questions around older children and those who might become children of the marriage again, please call one of the lawyers at Connect Family Law. We'd be happy to help.